Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin our repair, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, electrical tape, and a replacement power cord compatible with the Rowenta RO6373. Make sure you have these tools ready before you start. First, ensure that the vacuum cleaner is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Begin by removing the screws located at the base of the vacuum cleaner. There should be 4 screws securing the bottom plate. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these and set them aside in a safe location. With the screws removed, gently lift the bottom plate. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it feels stuck. Once the plate is off, you will see the internal components of the vacuum cleaner. At this point, it's a good idea to clean any dust and debris inside using a soft brush or a cloth. This will help ensure that your vacuum operates efficiently after the repair. Next, locate the power cord connection. The cord is typically attached to the main circuit board. Carefully disconnect the old power cord by unscrewing the connection points. These are usually small screws that hold the cord in place. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components during this process. If you find the task too challenging or don't have the proper tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the issue and guide you through the next steps. Now, take your replacement power cord and connect it to the circuit board, ensuring that the wires are properly aligned with the connection points. Once connected, securely fasten the screws to hold the cord in place. After connecting the new power cord, it's time to reassemble the vacuum cleaner. Before replacing the bottom plate, double-check that all connections are secure. If everything looks good, place the bottom plate back onto the vacuum and align it properly. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them firmly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws or damage the plastic. Now, let's perform a quick functionality test. Plug in the vacuum cleaner and check if it powers on correctly. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully repaired the power cord. If not, it may be a good idea to reach out for a quote before repair. We can assist you further. Lastly, if you're short on time or prefer not to handle the repair yourself, we also offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about any calls or travel. Simply contact us, and we'll take care of the rest. With the vacuum cleaner now fully assembled and operational, make sure to keep it clean and well maintained for optimal performance. Regular maintenance can enhance its lifespan and efficiency. Thank you for following this tutorial, and we hope you found it helpful in repairing your Rowenta RO6373. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.